Hi, my name is Caitlin.
And I'm Taylor.
And we are both recruiters for ArcBest. And today we are taking over your Instagram story. So we are standing outside our headquarters building here in Fort Smith, Arkansas. So we'll start off with giving you a quick tour of our headquarters. And
after that, we're going to talk to a few of our employees, talk about their roles and what they do for the company. And then we're actually going to discuss a few of our open positions that we have here at ArcBest. If you're not familiar with what ArcBest is or what we do, we are a leading logistics company full of creative problem solvers who help our customers meet all of their supply chain needs.
I'm standing in one of our large training rooms where our training teams will come in here and teach numerous different training classes for employees. They offer tons of different training classes that employees are welcome to sign up for whenever they want. And in addition to the training classes, we also offer tuition assistance if you go on and if you continue your education. And we also offer MBA programs and MIS programs.
So wellness is one of our core values here at ArcBest, and we have a gym that employees can use at any time throughout the day. We also have a little class area over here where we have dance classes, yoga, things like that. And as I said, this is accessible to all employees.
So this building behind us is our other office in Fort Smith off of Old Greenwood Road.
And in this office, that's where we house our ArcBest technologies, our ABF corporate positions, and our financial services for ArcBest. Hey guys, this is one of our interview rooms over here at our Old Greenwood office. So this is where you'll come if you are selected for an interview, and we've got several of these, so this is just an example.
So this room is called the Vault, and it's my personal favorite room in our building at Old Greenwood Road. And as you can see, we've got some TVs with video games over here. We've got a foosball. We've got some video games over there, ping pong table, the whole 9 yards. And it's just a cool place where employees can come and hang out.
A typical day for an AM includes prospecting, looking for new customers, cold calling, maintaining a healthy pipeline, and continuous growth through sales and account management. high energy, motivated, extroverted, outgoing spunkiness. That's what we're looking for in account managers at ArcBest for truckload sales.
Hi everyone, my name is Autumn Mayhar and I am the Senior Manager of Shared Media and CSR Enablement for ArcBest, and we are currently hiring for a Shared Media Analyst role. So the Shared Media Analyst will help with lots of things. Primarily they'll be responsible for helping develop and execute just various social media strategies for brand awareness, lead acquisition, target audience engagement, customer engagement. They'll also help us with some of our influencer marketing opportunities, some sponsorships and working with other brands and promotion through social media. They'll also help with some environmental social governance responsibilities and initiatives that we have, as well as helping our organization further our social selling strategies as well. So lots of really cool stuff. I would describe the culture of ArcBest a lot of different ways, but most of all, I would say that it's a supportive environment. It's a driven environment. It's a fast-paced environment, but it's a fun environment. And it's all of those things are what's kept me here for 15 years, and I wouldn't trade it for a thing. I love the people that I work with. I love how supportive our leadership teams are in, just encouraging us, giving us the resources that we need. Our coworkers do the same. There's lots of lifting each other up, and it's a great place to be. I think anyone would love it.
All right, briefly what I do is I source capacity for our customers' shipments and negotiate rates with carriers. So I started off as a student worker in 2018 under the track and trace department. And then after I graduated, I became full-time in track and trace. And then I have transitioned into my current role as a truckload fulfillment coordinator.